This is the Bulldog kitchen. Today we'll do some smash burgers, and we've got the meat from Costco. This is 91.9, so different from a lot of other recipes. We got used to this during COVID. Usually people have 80-20 or even 70-30. This from Costco comes in 1 pound packet, and then there's 4 in a bag. And 1 pound will suffice 2 people if you do double smash burgers. It's going to be really fast. It's really simple, really quick. So we have seasoning, sliced onion, best American cheese, buns, mustard, and ketchup. And so this will go really fast. And so it's better to be prepared first, because if you try to do it as you're cooking, you'll mess things up. So first of all, we'll start with some buns. Get those heated and slightly toasted. So we just want a very light toast on these. So this is the first one done. A few more minutes on that one. A couple more minutes on these. Just gonna get the middle pressed. I think that one's fine. It's a good one. And that's done. So maybe a minute to toast up the buns. Now we're going to use bacon press and parchment paper so the bacon press doesn't stick to the meat, and then we'll season up the meat as it's cooking. So we'll take 2 rough circles that we made earlier. We're going to make sure we're on a high heat, probably over 450 to 500 degrees, and then we can place them on here and hear them sizzle. And then we'll drop the parchment paper on and usually press down for about 10 seconds. So there's one, and here's the second one. And those are both smashed. We'll just put this to the side. And we'll season these up. There's this salt, pepper, and onion mix. Wait for these to cook a little bit and then we'll flip. And we can start to see they're starting to come through cooking on the top here. So now we'll just flip that. Make sure you have a good big spatula. And you're going to scoop in one go. Turn over. And as we've turned over, we'll put a slice of cheese on. And then we'll do the same with this one. And another slice of cheese. While that's now cooking, we'll get a bun ready. With some ketchup. And mustard. And I think these are done. One, 2, slice of onion, and the top. So It's gonna be hot, so be careful. Let's cut into it. Okay, let's take a good bite. See how this goes. Mm. Mm. That's hot, but it's a great burger flavor, and just the cheese, the melted cheese on top, and just classic onion, ketchup, and mustard. Keep it as simple as we can. We'll take another bite. Mm. The meat is so juicy. Oh, it's all falling out, all falling apart. It's a great beef flavor. You can taste a little crispiness on the bread, and then you can taste the crispiness of the seared meat, top and bottom. And then you've got the salt, pepper, and onion just following through, bringing out some great flavor. Thank you everybody for watching.